Hey, it's Tony here with Smart Toyota Tips. Today we have a brand new 2021 Toyota 4Runner. This is the Trail Edition in the 4Runner, which is a TRD Off-Road Premium package with some great accessories. So first off, we have a super white in color, and then the contrast here is the white contrast black door handles, black outside mirrors. We've got mud guards down the side, and you'll notice that huge Yakima rack. Also standard is the 17-inch matte black TRD alloy wheels with P265 70R 17-inch alloy wheels, a solid rear axle, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, and traction control. A swinging around the back up top, we've got a midnight black spoiler with LED lights, LED tail lights, backup lights, and black badging there for the 4Runner and the Toyota badge. We've got a camera up underneath there for your backup camera, privacy windows, washer wiper, rear window defrost, and a Class 3 trailer towing package allows you to tow up to 5,000 pounds. So up top you see that Yakima basket up there, that's removable. There's a roof rail system, privacy glass all the way across the back. The outside mirrors do have LED turn signals in them, which are great. And then here's those 17-inch TRD wheels, 70 series tire with a big sidewall. Gives you lots of clearance when going off-road to protect those wheels. Quick look once again at that basket up on top. Again, that's removable. You don't need tools to take that off. And then up front, a complete LED headlight package, including these fog lights down on the lower, and then the painted black bumper and the blacked out Toyota badging, and of course a hood scoop on the TRD off-road package. As we head inside, we've got a black SofTex fabric seat with red contrast stitching, really iconic for the TRD brand. Notice we have a folding armrest with dual cup holders. This one does have the light gray cloth headliner, overhead lighting, and a power sliding moonroof. Of course, we do have rear seat vents, 2.1 amp USB chargers, and pockets on the backs of both seats. Heading into the front passenger, we do have a power passenger seat with power recliner, side impact airbags, and again the red stitching with the SofTex fabric. There's another look at our sunroof, which has a visor you can slide open and close. Here in the back, you can see I've got 40% of the seat folded down, so that's a 40-20-40 fold down rear seat. And a quick look at our center stack with our 8-inch touchscreen. We've got a full-size glove box here, and it does have a key lock on there. Of course, owner's manuals, and you do get the wiring for the trailer towing. Our visors are illuminated up top on both sides, and both of them do have sliding visors. There's your passenger assist grip there, the you-know-what grip. Chrome door handles, dark gray gloss trim, one-touch up and down windows. And on the driver's seat, it's a full power seat with lumbar support. Get adjustable headrest. Check out the TRD embroidery in the headrest as well. Super iconic look for this particular vehicle. And then we've got switches for power mirrors and your automatic high beams. A leather wrap steering wheel with the gloss black charcoal trim. Fingertip controls for your sound system. Fingertip controls for your information center. Bluetooth connectivity, of course. Here's a quick look at the gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and start it up. See what it looks like when you wake up. Tach and temperature on the left. Speed and fuel gauge on the right. And then your information center right down the middle with the digital speedometer, fuel computer. Here's a look at your touchscreen. So this is a 8.5 inch, or an 8.1 inch, I should say. Dynamic navigation standard on here. Apple CarPlay, Alexa compatible, Sirius XM satellite radio. Standard heating and air conditioning. Here's a USB charging. And then the rapid charge there in the blue, that's an upcharge. Here's your shifter. We have a 5-speed automatic transmission, heated seats, power rear window, traditional 4-wheel drive shift. And here's a quick look at our backup camera, full color backup camera. Look at our overhead. See that TRD stitching. Our armrest has a nice surprise underneath here. This is an actual vault, a 4-pin vault, and you can lock your stuff up in there. Also, you've got your rapid charge cables, part of the rapid charge package. And then once you close it all up, you lock it up, twist the knob, close it, and it's hidden away underneath. So it's a great way to protect your valuables, or if you're using concealed carry, you can lock everything up under there. Overhead lighting here. We've got garage door openers. Here's our moonroof, power moonroof opener. See, it's a tinted moonroof. And then here's our terrain select for our off-road driving capabilities. Now, if you're going to do some serious off-road driving, you're going to want to have this trim. The TRD Off-Road package is a great package for off-road driving. Heading into the back seat, same as up front, SofTex seats. Notice we do have a folding armrest, and here's your cup holders again. There's your rear vents and your USB charging ports. And then here's just a real quick look at the driver's cockpit from the back. Now the back seats are stadium style seats, so they sit up a little bit higher than the front seats. Gives you great visibility out the back. Here's your fold down seat, pretty easy. You got 3 things to do: bring up the base, drop the head rest, and then drop the back of the seat, and it folds flat. As we dive into the trunk, the first thing you'll notice is we've got the all-weather floor liners, an emergency first aid kit, and a cargo net. And then this one has the cargo management system, which is extra charge. We've also got the cargo cover. That's an extra charge as well. And then over on the right here is our 120-watt power port and a traditional cigarette lighter style power port. So lots of different places to hide stuff, cubbies, tie-down hooks. There's your owner's portfolio in there. So a lot of great accessories on this TRD Off-Road. Lots of room, especially with the ability to fold those seats down in the back. Single air mattress should fit in there just fine. So diving under the hood, here's our 4-liter 24 valve gasoline engine. Produces 270 horsepower. It's connected to a 5-speed automatic transmission. We've got a 5-year 60,000-mile warranty. Fuel economy is 17 miles per gallon city highway combined. And of course, you do get Toyota Care with every Toyota, so your maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever occurs first.